Oh, hello, Blackbeard. Today, and this is Gear. Okay, let's go and check it out. Is that Gear today? But let's go check it out. Okay, let's go check it out. Just so like you, I'm by the sheep. Okay, there is. Hello, sheep. What are you doing the camera? What is this? This is Geared. Geared. The sheeps and now chickens. Hi, sheep. White sheep. White sheep. Sheep. What is it? Check it out. Oh, there is a Geared. Okay, there is a sheep. Sheeps. Look at the sheep. Check out our sheep. And this is white sheep's babies. Look at the baby. Baby. Sheep baby. Look at that. Is that sheep now? And there's a sheep. Look at that. Get the wait. That one, wait. Is that white sheeps and wait. That's got a good. What did you here for? What did you here for? What are you doing, the sheep? Oh, look at that poop. Look at that poop. What's that? Is that sheep's now? That's his sheep. And now let's go to check it out. And there is black sheep. Blackbeard. Is that the Blackbeard? Is a painting for them. So thanks for watching, guys. See in one bumblebee cookie and subscribe your channel. See you next time. Bye.